Convent Saligaon Sonar part. There is one vehicle here banged. See the condition of the vehicle here. It has banged other vehicle. I don't know exactly what was the issue here. And we can see this vehicle is gone in the Nala. Okay, this is in Saligaon Sonar part. So this vehicle is gone in the Nala here. See the condition it's gone here. Headlights and everything is broken here. Looks like it is one of the parents who came to reach the children. I don't know exactly, or maybe the staff who's teaching in the school here. आनी आसा सोनार पाटान लूड्स कॉन्वेंट स्कूल आसा पळय थंयसर हांगासर एक गाडी पार्क केल्ली आसली आनी ही बॉलेनो वयताली ताणें ती स्टेरींग घुंवडावन ती गाडी आतां सद्या ड्रेनीन गेल्ली आसा. यू कॅन सी द ड्रेन इट्स गॉन कंप्लिटली इन द नाला. माय रिक्वेस्ट हियर टू द अथॉरिटीज हियर द पुलीस स्पेशली ड्युरींग स्कूल आवर्स एक कॉन्स्टेबल हांगा आसपाक जाय कित्याक भुरगीं वयता सकाळची इस्कॉलाक की एनीथींग कॅन हॅपन. एक्चुली दीस one way here, because we have to follow the rules and this type of mishaps will not take place if we follow the rules and police should come. Traffic is going one way. Anga ek police tari anga doorpak jai, especially when the school children are going, the parents are going, they should follow the rules. They had kept a police here but now there is no police here. So like this incidents will take place especially when the children also are going. So there should be some safety from the police authority during school hours and they should follow the rules which is kept by the school authorities to follow one way. Even the police come, sometimes they are there, sometimes they are not there. During school hours they should have one way here.